In a dense, lush, and colorful jungle, there lived a sweet little bird. Her name was Punpun. Punpun had a tiny, adorable daughter, Shreya. Shreya was very smart, creative, and loved to play. One day, Punpun flew back from the jungle carrying some sparkling things in her wings. Shreya looked at her curiously and asked softly, "Mom, what did you bring?" Punpun smiled gently and said, "These are magical building blocks. With these, you can create anything you imagine." Shreya's eyes sparkled with excitement. The first game, a colorful little house. Shreya began playing with the blocks and built a small, beautiful, colorful house. Just then, Mitu the parrot's son Pinky and Kalu the crow's son came flying over. They happily said, "Wow, we want to play too!" Together, the three of them built different houses, a bright, colorful home, a cute little house, and a tall, grand palace. Every creation was unique and beautiful. The second game, let's build a school. After a while, Shreya said, "Let's build a school for all the jungle children." So together, they built a big school, tiny chairs, and a bookshelf filled with books. Soon, all the jungle kids gathered there, learning and playing happily. The third game, a hospital of kindness. Suddenly, a little rabbit slipped and got hurt. Shreya quickly said, "Let's build a hospital." Working together, they made a small hospital, a cozy bed, and even a tiny ambulance. The rabbit was treated with care and soon felt better again. The fourth game, a joyful park. Next, the children built a big green park, a swing, and a playful little playground. All the jungle animals came together to play, laugh, and enjoy. A big dream. One day, Shreya looked around and said softly, "Why don't we build a dream city for the whole jungle?" With teamwork and excitement, they created everything. Homes, a school, a hospital, a park, a bridge, and even a train station. Soon, the entire jungle turned into a city full of happiness. Punpun watched them with proud, loving eyes and said, "When children work together, they can make the world more beautiful." All the little ones chirped with joy. The greatest lesson. Working together, learning, and helping others, that is the true happiness. Mwah!